name is Cinzia Bongino. I'm a graphic information web designer from Turin, Italy, and I specialize in UX, UI, and data visualization. I also sometimes design projects for artistic contexts in which I try to combine data journalism techniques with storytelling. And I'm one of the participants of the Turin Signals exhibitions, and this is the installation I created together with Versavia Ancușa, who is a colleague that I work with, and she's a computer lecturer at the University of Timișoara. The title of our installation is Waste Streams, Tracing Romania's Tangled Trash, and it's about garbage. And we try to portray Romanians and European garbage through different streams of waste, carried by conveyor belts, as in a waste sorting facility. The research that we gathered is visualized through data visualization, graphics, text that are carried along this belt. Additionally, we have 4 TVs, which communicates another layer of perspective on the matter. We have 2 TVs, which are about detection of people and detection of material. On the conveyors that carries European waste, we have image detection. So we can see what type of waste product gets transported on the conveyor. While on the Romanian waste, we have actually videos taken through surveillance cameras that are positioned along trench containers in the city of Timișoara, in the surroundings, and in other cities in Romania. The information, the 2 streams, end up in one big TV screens that simulates a landfill. So it's a collection of municipal waste depots that in theory are compliant with European legislation, but it's difficult actually to be sure that all the rules are respected. And in the last main TVs, we have instead another perspective, which is the big picture, and it's about how waste gets traded among countries. So it's an installation that it's about scale, it's about mirroring information and see how local practices can be found also on a bigger level. Since this is a moving installation, it's obviously difficult to grasp everything at glance and to understand and have one single takeaway, because it simulates how actually reality is. So the moment that we produce items, they are basically waste, and it's something that we should take care of in the best way possible. Obviously, it's we cannot reduce waste production as try to sort out correctly your garbage and put it in the container and that's it. No, because there are global dynamics that are very difficult to manage and to follow up. So the main thing that maybe visitors can grasp from our project is actually how some dynamics can be found both in a local and a global perspective. But I guess it's needless to say that it's better to focus on the proximity, on our area, on our cities and our region, and fix these problems rather than applying same practice on a global level. I'm very happy of the collaboration I had with Versavia. I think that we both have a similar field of work, since we both work with data, but I think we managed to bring into the project our own expertise and our own knowledge. For example, in terms of research, being a foreigner, I could only access European data, while she, being like a local, born and raised in Timișoara, obviously could access like a local newspaper, knowing reliable data, and also add insights about culture and habits. So I think that this combination is also reflected in the installation itself. And also I learned a lot from her, especially from her practices, and it's something that I hope I can implement in my work in the future.